are departing from Kamli Ghat. The descent towards Goram Ghat begins. So our counterpart train from Marwar to Mahuli is just arriving. वे ऐसा दृश्य देखने को मिलेगा कहीं सामने वाली गाड़ी जा रही है और उसके पीछे ये जा रहा है. That is the broad gauge Marwar station, and this is the passenger train in which we came. We started at 7:40 in the morning. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I don't know how to express, but I'm feeling so happy right now. So we are departing from Kamli Ghat. The descent towards Goram Ghat begins. I just hope my camera survives. The battery has gone into orange. And we say goodbye to the duplicate steam engine hauling the Heritage Special. Degrees sharp curve, 19 kmph restriction, and the beginning of the ghats. घाट यहाँ शुरू होता है. This is the Jogbandi Mandir of Goram Ghat. And we are right now in the waterfalls bridge. After this is the main Goram Ghat bridge. I don't know if you are able to see it, but that is the Goram Ghat railway station, to which we'll be descending in some time. And the Goram Ghat bridge is about to come. As usual, we have idiots doing stunts in front of the train. That was the Goram Ghat bridge, which a lot of people have frequented. An extension of that is this one. This is the second Goram Ghat bridge. Looks like we have some wedding photo shoot going on here. It may seem a little dry now because it's winter, but this section is really worth visiting in monsoon. Quite a few people have visited it in monsoon and covered this specific bridge. If I can get the links to those videos, I'll definitely leave them in the description. That was the bridge we were on some time ago, and presently we are leaving from Goram Ghat railway station. Our next halt is Phullad, where we'll undergo rake reversal. The loco will switch ends and take us to Marwad Junction. This is one bridge. There is one more bridge there. And a third bridge somewhere over there. There it is.
How late we are?
पता नहीं भाई, देखना पड़ेगा. Goram Ghat was at a height of 475 meters, while Phullad is at a height of 352 meters. So the descent will still be slow. After Phullad, maybe we'll pick up some speed. That is the line in which we are going to continue. We'll be taking a huge U-turn somewhere here. Either that or maybe we are approaching Phullad, I'm not sure. There is the track in which we came right now, and that is the bridge which we just crossed some time ago. That section is so tight. We are literally moving very close to the line in which we just came. can see that. That is the track in which we came.
कितना दूर है?
नज़दीक ही है, वहाँ से 6 किलोमीटर बोला था. किलोमीटर मार्किंग के हिसाब से 4 ऑलरेडी हो गए. वो दूर दिख रही है ना बिल्डिंग, वो शायद होगी.
नहीं, दैट्स अ फ्लैट सरफेस एक्चुअली. बुलेट एक फ्लैट सरफेस है.
देखते हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ है.
हलवा खाएंगे थोड़ा सा. बुलेट का हलवा फेमस है.
स्टेशन में मिलता है क्या?
हाँ मिलता है.
तू लेके आ, मैं रिवर्सल कवर करता हूँ.
हाँ. आज भूख लगी है खतरनाक वाली.
कल जैसे तैसे संभाल लिए थे.
नहीं ठीक है, ऐसे व्यू के हिसाब से वो कुछ भी नहीं है. लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है.
ये दृश्य इतने अदृश्य हैं. भूख मिट गई.
भाई रोक क्यों रहा है? जल्दी पहुंचना है हम लोगों को.
फुलाड होम सिग्नल डेंजर.
ऐसा है क्या?
वो देख, सेमाफोर दिख रही है.
नीचे हुई है मतलब डेंजर है क्या?
हॉरिजॉन्टल है तो डेंजर है.
और स्टैंडिंग है
हम्म?
तो रोक देगा ये अभी?
रोक के या तो वो जाके करेक्ट करके निकालेगा, पता नहीं. ब्रेक टेस्टिंग के टाइम ऐसे ही किया था. ऑफ कोर्स वो सिचुएशन अलग है, लेकिन बता रहा हूँ. वी आर बीइंग हेल्ड एट फुलाड होम सिग्नल. I guess our opposite number is either arriving or loco reversal is going on. So once that is done, only then maybe we'll be allowed to enter the railway station for our own loco reversal. So our counterpart train from Marwar to Mawali is just arriving. Hence our train is being held at the home signal. Oh, I am not sure how much time will be held up here.
क्या हो गया भाई?
अपनी दूसरी गाड़ी जस्ट अभी आ रही है,
इसीलिए
हमको रोक के रखा है.
आपको कैसे पता?
दिख रही है, गई वो भी.
ये पहले क्यों आई है?
हम लोग लेट हैं भाई, वो भी लेट है.
हम लोग लेट है. कितने मिनट?
1 बजे हमको वहाँ पे पहुँचना था. टाइम क्या हो रहा है?
क्या हो रहा है?
देख यार, लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल साइट. I mean, we are held up at home signal. But look at the surroundings. It may seem a bit dry, but the visuals are amazing. The scenery, the landscape is fantastic.
कर रहा हूँ. 30 रुपया.
अभी हम लास्ट डब्बे में हो जाएंगे यार.
मज़ा आएगा.
घाट सेक्शन यहाँ पे समाप्त होता है. फुलाद. Our counterpart, Marwar Mawali passenger, led by YDM 46655. सवारी गाड़ी. So this is our train, Mavli Marwad Special at Fulad. We just arrived. We are some 20 minutes late, 20-25 minutes late. And this is the Marwad Mavli Special, which is headed back to Mavli. So our loco got detached. It has gone to the station outer to reverse. In the meanwhile, the Mavli bound passenger is about to start. Marwad Mavli passenger is departing and our loco is about to reverse on the same line. वे ऐसा दृश्य देखने को मिलेगा कहीं, सामने वाली गाड़ी जा रही है और उसके पीछे ये जा रहा है. So that's our loco going to get coupled to the other end. और meanwhile our friend has brought something. क्या है भाई?
फुलाद का हलवा.
ये हलवा?
फेमस हलवा.
फेमस हलवा. सही है.
तो सही. कैसा है? फेमस है?
It's hot. ताज़ा बना है क्या?
ताज़ा ही बनता है यहाँ.
You're amazing guy.
आता ही अभी है, घर बंद करके चला जाएगा अभी थोड़ी देर में.
मतलब ये गाड़ियों के टाइम पे आता है बस. Amazing हलवा guys. So now our coach has become last from the loco. Our YDM4 is switching tracks to come and get coupled to the other end of our train. Finally departing from Fulad after a near 25-minute halt for loco reversal. Now we will be heading towards our destination, Marwad Junction. There is one halt between Fulad and Marwad which is called Marwad Ranavas. I hope I am getting the pronunciation correct. So after that we will be reaching Marwad. Thankfully our connecting train to the destination ahead is about an hour late, but more details on that once we reach Marwad Junction. So that's the line we came from, coming from Mavli Junction. Now we are heading towards Marwad Junction. So we were able to get some fresh hot pakode from Fulad Junction. Junction नहीं है, Fulad ही है बस. सब कुछ है इसमें. आलू, प्याज, शिमला मिर्च. जब गरम खाते हैं सब कुछ अच्छा ही लगता है. Marwad Ranavas, our penultimate halt. समुद्र तट औसत से ऊंचाई 309 मीटर. We have descended quite a lot, man. So we're departing from our penultimate halt, Marwar Ranavas. So it's the home stretch now to Marwar Junction. I got to know from a co-passenger who is a teacher who hails from Marwar that this Ranavas village used to be education hub once upon a time. I saw college on our approach to Marwar Ranavas, and it was apparently built by a few Jain saints, and this place used to be a hub for education. A lot of students from near and far, quite a few villages used to come all the way here before schools and colleges sprung up in pretty much every town and village. So prior to that, maybe at one point of time, Ranavas would have been the center of education for most of the villages surrounding this area. The population of this village is apparently quite less, maybe around 450 to 500 houses was what I was told. But apart from that, its college and schooling was quite famous once upon a time. Interesting to know such things about such small villages along the route, and I'm happy to share that with all of you as well. If any of you know more about this education hub, Marwar Ranavas, please do put it down in the comments. It will be interesting to learn from you as well. We are approaching Marwar Junction. The semaphores have given way to MACL signals. This is the first time I'll be visiting a territory with high-rise OHE. Prior to this, I've never visited these sections where the OHE height is elevated. So here you will get to see a lot of high-rise panto action. Hopefully, before my connecting train arrives, I get to spot a few too. Marwar is a part of the Delhi, Jaipur, Ajmer, Ahmedabad main line. It's a small railway town. Many trains skip this place. Apart from this meter gauge line that joins at Marwar Junction, there is another broad gauge line that deviates towards Jodhpur. A few trains that come from Ahmedabad bifurcate from here towards Jodhpur Junction. The high-rise OHE and our small meter gauge train. Marwar home signal. Oh shit. So the lines you see in the foreground, these two belong to the Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, WDFC, and the lines you see beyond are those of Marwar Junction. So these two lines in the foreground, they are dedicated to freights so that they don't hinder the movement of passenger trains while moving towards their respective destinations, and hence the name Dedicated Freight Corridor. And with that, we have reached the end of our journey. We have arrived Marwar Junction. After a long and arduous 7-hour journey, we started at 7:40 in the morning. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. You can see behind me, that is the broad gauge Marwar station, and this is the passenger train in which we came. It feels so satisfying. So I don't know how to express, but I'm feeling so happy right now to have undertaken this journey. One of the last remaining meter gauge sections of the country, other than Heritage Railways, that is. So both my camera battery and my phone battery are almost down. I can see single digit 4% is the marking in my camera. So I have to charge both, and we have to find something to eat in the meanwhile. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I enjoyed it thoroughly, covering the entire section, and I don't know if I'm going to upload it in a single part or two, whatever be the case. I hope you liked the vlog. If you have any opinions, if you have any comments, please put them down in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions for me to improve, please put them down as well. I'll see you in the next vlog. This Rajasthan series will continue, and we have a short journey coming up to Pali. I'll see how much of it I can cover. So until the next one, see you, take care, bye.